Exactly. And that emotion that I feel is connected to that energy source
Yeah.
that's in us. So when we look at from a scientific standpoint that, I use the periodic table.
Mhm.
So we know we've all, saw that little chart that was in our classrooms when we were in elementary school and we had to
Mhm.
learn the elements of
Yeah.
the periodic table. And there's one thing that's not on the periodic table that I've
Mhm.
discovered over the past, 10 years in delving, digging deep into this rabbit hole is that photons of light are not
Mhm.
identified on the periodic table. And therefore, nothing on the periodic table comes into being or matters. Nothing on the periodic table literally matters without light illuminating it. And,
Mhm.
it goes back to from the beginning, all these elements came into play working together to create the earth, the trees, and we've taken the trees and created lumber and built houses and built cars out of everything that's identifiable on the periodic table. And
Mhm.
so, and then we've, what we feel is an advanced mode of communication, we've created languages.
Mhm.
And so it's this vibration, or when you realize that all energy in its purest form comes from the sun.